an investment option which is quite unpopular or not well explored in the category of people who watch these videos is the National Savings Certificate. But it's an important investment option to know of if it suits your risk profile, of course. So I'm going to be talking about the people to whom this investment option is the best suited. But before that, let's speak about the features. You can get a national savings certificate from a post office. So you don't need to necessarily walk up to a bank. You can go to the closest post office and obtain a national savings certificate. The minimum amount that you need to invest in this investment option is 1000 rupees, but there is no maximum limit. You can go up and invest as much as you want. This investment is eligible for a tax saving deduction from total income up to 1.5 lakh under section 80C. Again, the interest on this as of now is roughly about 6.8%, but is revised quarterly by the government. This is considered to be one of the safest investment options, even possibly safer than your money being kept in a bank, because while a bank may go into liquidation and you may feel that there's a certain amount of risk there, these securities are backed by the central government. There is a lock-in of just 5 years in comparison to 15 years in, say, a PPF scheme, which possibly offers a slightly higher interest rate. Now, this 5 year option is almost like a medium term investment that a person could possibly make in a very, very secure government backed security. This is easily available at a post office. The interest on it is tax free, and the entire amount is received at the end of the period, which is at maturity at the end of 5 years. There is no TDS deduction on it. This security can also be transferred from one post office to another. Now, it may possibly not suit your risk appetite, where you may be looking at investing in equities and generating higher return in the future. However, you would definitely know people such as your drivers or the ones less privileged who work around you, maybe at your home or offices, who could really benefit out of this. Also, because a lot of these workers are actually migratory workers who come to metro cities to work, but there may be times such as what we saw during the pandemic when they moved back to their villages, and this is a deposit which they can also transfer if they move to any other city to any post office. So the post office network across the country is very widely spread, and this is a benefit that these people can take out of. You should possibly educate them about this investment option.